back to Turn Up Math. Today we've got a glowing probability puzzle involving lava lamps. Picture this. Ryan has 3 red and 3 blue lava lamps. He lines them up randomly on a shelf and then flips exactly 3 on at random. Here's the challenge. What's the probability that the leftmost lamp is blue and off and the rightmost lamp is red and on? First, we have 6 distinct lamps. So there's 3 red and 3 blue. They're arranged in a random order. So that's going to be 6 factorial or 720 ways to arrange the 6 lamps in a row. Then we pick 3 out of the 6 to turn on. So that's going to be 6 choose 3 or 20 ways to choose which 3 lamps are turned on. So now the total outcome is 720 times 20, which is 14,400. So think of this as our denominator. These are all the possible outcomes. So now we want to figure out the numerator basically. So the leftmost is red and on. Is blue and off, and the rightmost is red and on. So there's 3 choices for blue lamps in the leftmost lamp, and 3 choices for the red lamps on rightmost, which makes a total of 9 ways. So 3 times 3 is 9 to assign a blue lamp in the leftmost lamp and red lamp in the rightmost lamp. Now there's 4 remaining lamps between the leftmost and the rightmost lamp. So that means there's 4 factorial or 24 ways to arrange them. So that's only factoring red and blue. We must choose a status for the remaining 4. Since the rightmost lamp is on and the leftmost lamp is off, there are 2 remaining lamps that will be on. So from the 4 middle ones, we're going to choose 2 of them to be on. So 4 choose 2 is 6 ways to choose the remaining statuses. The total favorable outcomes are assigning specific lamps to the leftmost and rightmost, times the middle 4 lamps, and then choosing the status of the middle 4 lamps. So choosing the status of the middle 4 lamps, that's the same thing as choosing 2 on and 2 off. So that's going to be 9 times 24 times 6, which is 1,296. So that's going to be all over the 14,400, which is 9 over 100. And so that's going to be the final answer.